Hello everyone, welcome back to Learning Himachal. Welcome back to the Vanpath. कैसे हैं आप लोग? How is your preparation going? So today's session is on environment questions. But before moving ahead, there is an announcement for you. If you want to prepare extensively either for HPFS or for HPOs, Learning Himachal is providing you with a comprehensive course. And if you want to join it, you can either click on the link given in the description below or you can reach out to us at various platforms. Limited seats are there, so hurry up and grab your seat. Let's start with the session. Question 1. Which of the following statements about the Ramsar Convention are correct? It was signed in 1971 in Iran. It is legally binding on member countries. Only freshwater wetlands are included in the list. Correct option is option B, 1 and 2 only. Explanation क्या है? Ramsar Convention was signed in 1971 in Ramsar, Iran. It is legally binding. It includes both freshwater and coastal marine wetlands. So statement 3 is incorrect. Question 2. Which of the following is the largest carbon sink in the world? Mangroves, tropical rainforest, oceans या फिर आर्कटिक टुंड्रा? इसका करेक्ट आंसर है oceans. Ocean absorb about 25 to 30% of anthropogenic CO2 emissions and act as the largest carbon sink. Question number 3. Eco-sensitive zones are created under which legal authority? Forest Conservation Act 1980, Wildlife Protection Act 1972, Environment Protection Act 1986, Biological Diversity Act 2002. Correct answer is option C. The EPA Act 1986 empowers the government to declare areas around protected areas as eco-sensitive zones to protect fragile ecosystems. ठीक है? Let's move ahead. Question number 4. Which of the following are greenhouse gases as per IPCC? Water vapor, carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, ozone. इनमें से कौन कौन सी ग्रीन हाउस गैसेज है? देखो, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, मीथेन, नाइट्रस ऑक्साइड, ये हम सबको पता होते हैं, लेकिन हम कहाँ पर गड़बड़ करते हैं? वाटर वेपर पर। वाटर वेपर भी आपकी क्या है? ग्रीन हाउस गैस है। ये डायरेक्टली तो इन्फ्लुएंस नहीं करती है, बट येस इट इज कंसिडर्ड एज ग्रीन हाउस गैस। तो आपकी ऑप्शन सी जो है वो करेक्ट आंसर बन जाता है। ठीक है, सी all five are recognized greenhouse gases, though water vapor is a feedback agent rather than the direct forcing agent. Done? Question number 5. Which of the following is not a component of the National Action Plan on Climate Change? National Solar Mission, National Water Mission, National Air Quality Mission, National Mission on Sustainable Habitat. तो देखो, जो NAPCC है उसका मेन मोटिव क्या था कि सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट को एड्रेस किया जाए और जो क्लाइमेट चेंज की वजह से चैलेंजेस आ रहे हैं उनके बारे में बात की जाए। तो इसके अंडर आपके पास 8 मिशन आए थे। ठीक है, सोलर मिशन था, मिशन फॉर एनहांस्ड एनर्जी एफिशिएंसी था, सस्टेनेबल हैबिटेट के ऊपर था, वाटर मिशन था, हिमालयन इकोसिस्टम को बचाने के रिलेटेड एक मिशन था, ग्रीन इंडिया के रिलेटेड एक मिशन था। ठीक है, सस्टेनेबल एग्रीकल्चर के रिलेटेड एक मिशन था एंड क्लाइमेट चेंज से रिलेटेड एक मिशन था। ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे जिसकी बात नहीं हो रही है दैट इज योर नेशनल एयर क्वालिटी मिशन। तो आपका करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन सी। NAPCC में बाकी 3 चीजों के बारे में बात की गई है, लेकिन नेशनल एयर क्वालिटी के बारे में कोई बात नहीं की गई है। डन? National Air Quality Mission is not one of the original 8 missions under NAPCC. Question number 6. Which of the following is our biodiversity hotspots in India? Indo-Burma, Himalayas, Western Ghats, Sundarban. तो ये हम सबको पता है, ये 3 क्या है आपके biodiversity hotspot. Sundarbans are not considered as biodiversity hotspot. तो ऑप्शन सी क्या हो जाता है हमारा करेक्ट? Sundarbans is ecologically important but is not listed as a biodiversity hotspot under the global classification as per Conservation International. Done? Question number 7. With reference to Paris Agreement, consider the following statements. Statement 1. It aims to limit global temperature rise well below 2 degrees Celsius, preferable to 1.5 degrees Celsius. Statement 2. The agreement has legally binding emission targets for all the developed and developing countries. Statement 3. Nationally determined contributions (NADCs) are legally enforceable under international law. Which of the above statement are correct? इसका सही आंसर है आपका statement 1, that is option A, 1 only. Only statement 1 is correct. NDCs are not legally binding. The agreement is legally binding in process, not is in outcome. That is, submission is mandatory, but targets aren't enforceable. Question number 8. The term carbon lock-in refers to permanent carbon storage through afforestation, inability to reduce emission due to dependence on fossil fuel infrastructure, temporary absorption of CO2 by oceans, international trade sanctions on carbon intensive goods. तो ये डायरेक्ट डेफिनेशन है. स्टेटमेंट बी इज करेक्ट. कार्बन लॉक इन क्या होता है? It is the inability to reduce emissions due to dependence on fossil fuel infrastructure. Carbon lock-in is when existing infrastructure, technology, and institutions commit economies to high emissions over time, making decarbonization harder. Question 9 for the day. Consider the following statements regarding biodiversity. Gamma diversity refers to diversity within a particular area or ecosystem. Alpha diversity includes the total diversity across multiple ecosystems in a region. Beta diversity is the rate of change in species composition between ecosystems. अल्फा, बीटा एंड गामा डाइवर्सिटीज के बारे में यहाँ बात की गई है. एंड आपकी बीटा डाइवर्सिटी की डेफिनेशन ही सिर्फ करेक्ट है, बाकी दो डेफिनेशंस गलत है. कैसे? अल्फा जो है वो विद इन एन इकोसिस्टम जब आप बात करते हो तब बोला जाता है, एंड बीटा इज द चेंज बिटवीन इकोसिस्टम, एंड गामा इज ओवरऑल रीजनल डाइवर्सिटी. ठीक है, तो आपका स्टेटमेंट 3 करेक्ट थी, तो ऑप्शन ए आपका करेक्ट हो जाता है. Last question for the day. Question number 10. The concept of ecological footprints is best described as the amount of forest needed to offset a country's carbon emission, the biologically productive land and water required to sustain a population, the area covered by national parks and sanctuaries, the amount of pollution generated by industries annually. इसकी सही डेफिनेशन है आपकी ऑप्शन बी. द बायोलॉजिकल प्रोडक्टिव लैंड एंड वाटर रिक्वायर्ड टू सस्टेन अ पॉपुलेशन इज नोन एज इकोलॉजिकल फुटप्रिंट. ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट. It refers to the measure of human demand on Earth's ecosystem, how many land water is required to produce resources and absorb wastes. Done. So that's it for the day. For more updates, you can follow us, and if you want to join our courses, you can contact our team. Thank you and have a nice day.